In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Gumtree account. If you're new to Gumtree and want a quick, simple way to get started, this process is very straightforward. We'll be creating an account using Google, which is one of the fastest options because it can save you from having to manually type in your details. As you follow along, make sure you're using a device where you're already signed in to your Google account, since that will make the process even smoother. To begin, open your web browser and go to gumtree.com. Once the website loads, give it a moment to fully display the homepage. It's always a good idea to check that you're on the official site before continuing, especially when creating any online account. If the page doesn't load right away, try refreshing it or checking your internet connection. After you're on the Gumtree homepage, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click the Sign In button. This is where Gumtree gives you access to account login and account creation options. Even though it says Sign In, this is also the place where new users can begin setting up an account, so don't worry if you've never used the platform before. Once the Sign In page opens, choose the option that says Continue with Google. This method is convenient and usually much faster than entering information manually. After you click it, a Google pop-up or selection window should appear. If you're already logged into Google on your browser, you'll likely see a list of available accounts. Simply select the account you want to use for Gumtree. If you're not already signed into Google, you may be prompted to log in first before you can continue. Just complete that part, then return to the account selection and choose the correct Google account. Be sure to pick the one you want connected to your Gumtree profile, since that's the account you'll likely use later to sign back in. After selecting your Google account, Gumtree should create or connect your account automatically and sign you in. At that point, your account setup is essentially complete, and you can start using Gumtree right away. A quick tip before you move on. Once you're signed in, it's worth taking a moment to review your profile or account settings so everything is accurate. That can help make future activity on the platform smoother. And that's it. That's how to create a Gumtree account using Google.